Good morning, children. This is statistics lesson 14.1 exercise, third problem. Here it is given. In this problem, it is given that the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18 and rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. So we have taken here class interval 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, like that. Second, number of children getting between rupees 11 to 13, 7, 17 to 19, 13, 19 to 21 missing. That frequency we have to find out. This is missing frequency. Okay, for that, now next xi is given. Xi is mid value, class mark. Okay, how we have got already I told you, this is 11 is the lower boundary and 13 is the upper boundary. Lower boundary plus upper boundary upon 2. 11 plus 13, 24 upon 2, 16, 12. Okay, 13 plus 15 upon 2, 28 upon 2, 14. Okay, here if you take class length is 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. 19 minus 17 is equal to 2. 2 difference is there. So we have to go on adding. 12 plus 2, 14. Actually we have to find out 11, 19 plus 17 upon 16, 21 plus 19 upon 2. But as the regular class intervals are there, if you get the first one, then as the class length is, class size is 2, if you go on adding 2, 2, 2, you will be getting this xi values. Okay, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 24. This is xi. Now if you add up this total here, 13 plus 9, total if you add up, we will be getting here 44 plus f. Okay, here xi value, any value we can take as a. But here a I am taking a, any value right from 12 to 24, any value. Usually we will be taking middle values. Okay, 20, a is equal to 20 here. Okay, now xi minus a. What is xi? This is xi. Xi is equal to 12. 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 8. Okay, now 14 minus 20 minus 6. 16 minus 20. See, I told you 2 difference is there, no? So here also you will be getting 2 value. Okay, so here minus 2. 20 minus 20 is 0. Now xi 20, 22, a is equal to 22 minus 2. Here you will be getting 4. Now fi, now this is fi di. Fi di is equal to this 7 into minus 8. So minus 56. 6 into 6. Minus 6, 6. Minus 36. Minus here 36. Here minus 26. 0. F into 0, 0. Actually in this case, missing frequency, actually we can take any value of xi. But in case of missing frequency, try to take that class mark or mid value or xi in which we have to find out the f. So जो missing frequency है ना, missing frequency का उसका आपको लेने का a in case of finding out the missing frequency. अगर सब frequencies दिए तो कोई भी ले लो, आपको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मगर एक केस में क्या करने का, जिसका missing frequency नहीं है यहाँ, इसीलिए हम लोग a is equal to 20 लिए हैं. Okay, here 2 5s are 10. Then here 4 4s are 16. So add up all this. 6 4s are 24. 7 plus 3 10 13 15. Minus 154. Okay, 6 12 12 plus 6 18 24. 4 7 10 15 minus 154. Here if you add up, this is 26. So minus 154 plus 26. So we will be getting minus 128 as sigma Fi di. Okay, here sigma Fi di. Okay, now we have to find out the missing frequency. So we have done this by stepwise deviation method. Stepwise deviation method. Okay, mean is equal to, what is the value of mean? Mean is equal to bar x is equal to a plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. A we have taken 20 plus minus 28 upon 44 plus f. Already mean is given in the problem. Mean is given as 18. Okay, we will be substituting 18 is equal to 20 plus minus 28 upon 44 plus f. So we will be taking 18 to 20 to this side is equal to minus 28 upon 44 plus f. Minus 2 is equal to minus 128 plus minus 28 upon 44 plus f. Okay, now cross multiplication. Here nothing is there, 1. So minus 2 into 44 plus f is equal to minus 128. 1 into minus 28, 1. Minus 88 plus f1 is equal to minus 128. f1 is equal to minus 128 plus 88. Minus 88, here also minus we will be getting, no, minus 2f1. Minus 88 minus 2 into f1 minus 2f1. So minus 2f1 is equal to 128 minus 88, 0 is equal to minus 40. Both the sides minus sign is there. So f1 is equal to 40 upon 20. Therefore missing frequency f is equal to 20. Okay, this is the missing frequency. Here what we have to do after finding out the class mark, wherever missing frequency is there, that value we have to take as assumed mean. Okay, thank you.